Commercial Locksmith Miami. Commercial Locksmith Miami specializes in services for the business community of Miami. We provide confidential solutions for small stores as well as sophisticated high-security corporations and banking properties. Whether you're selling candy to kids or diamonds to venture capital stars, we can help keep your goods more secure. Commercial Locksmith Miami is a go-to trusted local business because of our long-time committed service to the metropolitan Miami area and its neighboring areas. More than 10 years. We service all types of commercial properties and businesses, from retail, private practices, real estate and property management assistance, corporate offices and buildings, industrial warehousing, and more. So call us at 786-319-4591.